Hey guys, today I wanted to run through some of our pouches and pockets and all kinds of goodness like that, just to show you some stuff on what fits in what and what kits fit in what pouches. There's a lot of confusion, I'm sure, that goes on when you're looking at the store and looking at the stuff we carry and that we make. So I wanted to take a run through of all of our nylon goods and then the medical kits as well that go inside of them. All right, so first I'm going to start off with the Fatboy Pouch. This is our original medical kit pouch that we've been making since 2011. So a long time before people started copying it and knocking it off, we were making the original, just in case you see something that looks like this out there. But this is the original pull-down design to not only hold the contents of one of our trauma kits, which these are so much smaller now than they used to be in 2011. I mean, you know, big difference. Anyway. So these are basically our solution to treating the 3 leading causes of preventable death in the field, as according to the TCCC, or the Tactical Combat Casualty Care Board, directors, people that meet, that type of stuff. So extremity hemorrhage, tension pneumothorax, and airway obstruction are what the ETA stands for in there. And they come vacuum sealed like this, but little hint, we're also going to start offering them in this bag one of these days, very soon. But for now, we make the kit. So as we've been condensing the kit through the years, the pouch has become bigger and bigger compared to the kit. So the original design was, actually we were making these before 2011. 2011 is when we announced the Tallboy pouch, so this Fatboy even predates that. Anyway, so the Tallboy was our solution to mount it on 2 channels of MOLLE, but also have the ability to mount it horizontally as well as vertically using short malice clips or long malice clips. So this original Fatboy was only the long malice clips, which are still available if you want to mount it that way, but they're just available separately now. The pull-down design allows you to kind of put things into this channel here with the elastic, so you can take the contents of the ETA kit out and put them in here. We've got some great photos on the website if you want to check out what it looks like all contentsed out. So the ETA trauma kit still fits great in the back here in the Fatboy pouch. Still fits the size requirement for the pouch, and you can zip it up and all that good stuff. The Tallboy pouch does still fit the ETA trauma kit as well. So it's just a little bit further down into the pouch in the back pocket, just like that, but it fits just fine. So either configuration that you want to run, whether it's Tallboy or Fatboy, some people run these on battle belts with the malice clips like that, but eventually we're going to do some upgrades to this pouch as well, coming one of these days. Already planning it. So, however though, great pouches. These fit the bill for pretty much whatever you want. These are really good pouches. These are really great pouches. You're going to want to pick these up. Anyway, Fatboy, Tallboy, those are the configurations. Again, Fatboy can't mount horizontally, only the Tallboy can. So that's a consideration you might want to look at as well. But, so leading off with this, eventually taking this form factor, this is our bleeding kit and this is our first aid kit, aka bleeding management kit. These pouches are a little bit different. You can see one is a little larger than the other because one has a tourniquet inside of it. So the bleeding kit is our solution to, Texas recently passed a bill called HB 493, which mandated that schools around the country, or the country of Texas, what? 496, yeah, 49, one of those 49 bills. Anyway, mandated that these all have to be in school campuses now, a bleeding management kit. So this is our solution to that we've provided many school districts around Texas. This is our zip bag. So the bleeding kit is a little bit large for this. You could cram it in there, but we recommend taking the stuff out of this pouch and putting it in here. It'll fit just fine once you take the contents out. However, our first aid kit is great to put right inside of our medical zip bag. Because what's nice is you can actually tear the kit open and work right out of it inside the zip bag. You don't have to completely remove the bag. So it's a way to kind of keep everything organized and still ready to go. So we design these pull handles so that when it's inside of a bag or anything else, you can quickly see that it's red for medical and pull it out to use it. Then you can also take these wraps off. So if you don't want these on there, you can just remove them. But you can see Fatboy and Tallboy both come with those too. So that's the configuration on that. It takes care of the first aid kit, bleeding kit, and again, ETA trauma kit, eventually in this configuration, but right now, only vacuum seal. We're not getting rid of vacuum sealing. That's going to stay because our bags are great, really great bags. So we upgraded to a TrueFlex material, and this material is really flexible, and it definitely is a lot better than what we used to use years ago. It would always develop leaks and things like that. But anyway, these are for, you know, put in a cargo pocket, that type of deal. If you really need trauma kit components to carry with you on a daily basis, this is the original EDC trauma kit. Many people are calling stuff EDC trauma kits now. Original. Long time. We've been around a long time. We've been around 11 years. Been making stuff a long time, so yeah. Anyway, pack of combat gauze, pack of, or call it quick clot gauze. It's not necessarily combat gauze anymore. Also, a tourniquet is inside of here. It's the soft T tourniquet, and then a pair of nitrile gloves. So that fits in a back pocket very nicely, but it also fits in our slimline pouch. And, am I calling out the right thing? Yeah, sometimes I forget names. Sometimes I forget my name. Anyway, slimline pouch, which is great for holding a flat folded tourniquet. Flat folding was just a method we came up with to make the soft T tourniquet just a little bit smaller to fit in other places, like the slimline pouch. But the EDC trauma kit fits in here, and we get a lot of questions on whether the ETA kit fits in here, and it does not. So a little bit larger opening is required for the ETA kit, hence the Tallboy and Fatboy pouch. Then moving on to, let's see, we got the, Foldinizer and the Gizmo Light. Gizmo Light, Foldinizer. These products are great. You're going to want these too. Anyway, so this goes around the head wrap. We also have these in black as well as black. So all the pouches that I've held up in Coyote also come in black. So any pouch that I hold up in black also comes in Coyote. What do you know? So put this on your headrest, and now you can dock this to your headrest and simply remove it. Just like that, if you need something that's a quick release type of medical kit, you can put anything in here from multiple ETA kits to the contents of a bleeding kit. I've currently got my dog stuff in here for my pooch, so this goes on the harness that my dog wears and can have all that in there and ready to go and tear off. So that's that. Also, the Foldinizer can do the same thing that the Gizmo Light can do. So now you've got this wrapped around your seat. You can pull this off and now dock it to this protective layer so it doesn't mess with the hook. Also comes on this too, so don't think that that doesn't come with it. It's covered up so you don't just have hook screwing with you all the time. So multiple pockets here. You've got one large pocket in the back in the Foldinizer, two of the smaller mesh pockets in the front. Same goes with down here, two mesh pockets in the front. And then this little strap here with one wrap holds a zip bag, just like so. I'll be right with you. So you can basically cross those straps, and I didn't line this up perfectly just so you could kind of see what's going on here. So they actually interact with the loop strip that's on the front of these zip bags to help hold them in there. But now you can, you know, basically fold this up in the Foldinizer, and you can have this now on the seat. Now you've got those little red pull tabs. You can actually pull the Foldinizer off with the zip bag pull tabs rather than the Gizmo Light grab handles, basically, not pull tabs. Anyway, that's that. So again, if you wanted to take everything out of the first aid kit, you could, and now put it into here. Same with the bleeding kit. Bleeding kit contents will fit also in the Foldinizer. And then last but not least, we have the Tourniquet. So the Tourniquet is our answer to a quick release pouch for a pretty much flat folded soft T tourniquet, or it does fit the cat too if you want to carry a cat tourniquet. Those are the two tourniquets that are recommended by the COTCCC. So Tourniquet, quick deploy, a tourniquet ready to go. That pouch will really not fit anything other than the properly folded cat or soft T that goes in the pouch. So you can get away with maybe putting a pair of gloves behind there, or even sometimes a pack of quick clot gauze. It just really depends. So if you're using the soft T, you can cram some more stuff behind there, but if you're using the cat, it takes up a lot of room. Cats are pretty bulky tourniquet wise, so I'm sure if you have one, you know that. And the great thing about our Tourniquet pouch, as well as, remove this here. Make this look a little nicer when I show you here. Turn-quick pouch, as well as the slimline pouch, is the back of them have our 4-way mounting system. So you can actually put these 1-wrap straps around a backpack strap. You can run this horizontally or vertically through a belt behind this, or you can use a malice clip to actually mount this on tamale. So hence 4 ways to mount it, 4-way mounting system. It's patent pending along with the Turn-quick pouch, so it's coming, don't try to rip it off.